1 month of investing in Bed Bath & Beyond, a firm that has become associated with internet memes, resulted in a profit of $110 million for a college student in the United States who is 20 years old. How did he manage to pull it off? Come along with us today as we look at how a 20-year-old made $110 million in 1 month with the Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Without further ado, let's get started. In July, Jake Freeman, the college student, and his family purchased over 5 million shares in the faltering U.S. homeware business for a price that was less than $5.50 per share. In the beginning, Jake invested a total of $25 million. It is said that his affluent uncle assisted him in making this significant financial commitment. It's a good thing for him, since my uncle is the undisputed king of empty promises. Following an almost 500% spike in the value of the shares, which was triggered by considerable debate about the stock on Reddit message boards, including multiple postings by Freeman, he eventually sold the shares for more than $130 million.
Good for him.
Before he made the decision to purchase Bed Bath & Beyond stocks, Freeman began putting together the move that would make him famous this summer, and it certainly wasn't a hot summer body.
Nope.
This move was initiated in the aftermath of a market meltdown that had pummeled once soaring meme stocks such as ANC, GameStop, and Bed Bath. Anyway, each and every one of these meme stocks mentioned are covered on our channel. So if you want more information, subscribe to our channel right now. Freeman argued that the volatility in these equities, which was reflected in the price of options on the shares, could be leveraged as a means of ensuring one's continued existence. He started looking for a struggling shop that had been grossly undervalued on the market as having a good chance of making it through the current economic climate. In June, Freeman purchased debts in the drugstore chain Rite Aid. However, the chance was lost when the firm issued a tender offer, which caused both its bonds and shares to surge in price.
I see.
After that, Freeman switched his focus to Bed Bath, a stock that had previously been a popular meme but had since plunged in value due to a decline in sales and a liquidity crisis that jeopardized the company's ability to continue operating as a going concern. He suggested an innovative approach for Bed Bath that involves taking advantage of the significant volatility of the company's stock price in order to provide bondholders with a proposal that would reduce the company's senior debt burden from $1.2 billion to $500 million. The success of the strategy depended on whether or not the corporation would reduce its leverage in return for debt holders receiving stock warrants and convertible notes from the company. Freeman revealed his position in Bed Bath & Beyond in a securities filing on the 20th of July. Accompanying this disclosure was a 9-page letter, which recommended that the firm execute his planned debt swap as quickly as possible. He was of the belief that Bed Bath & Beyond would soon become insolvent if such action was not taken. Anyway, when did this happen exactly? What was the current situation of Bed Bath & Beyond stock when it happened? We will let you know, so stay with us. Freeman disclosed to the users of Reddit that he had been employed in the financial sector from the age of 14 and that he had an interest in the field dating back to the age of 12. Irreducible Risks of Hedging a Bond with a Default Swap was the title of a paper that he co-wrote when he was just 16 years old. Despite this, he was taken aback by the hit that he received. I certainly did not expect such a vicious rally upwards. I thought this was going to be a 6 months plus play. I was really shocked that it went up so fast, Freeman told the Financial Times in an interview. When precisely did all of this take place? This occurred over the summer when the stock price of Bed Bath & Beyond soared, and it was only made possible when Jake sold his part in the company before billionaire investor Ryan Cohen quit Bed Bath & Beyond.
That is lucky.
According to reports, the young man, who was just 20 years old at the time, owned 6% of Bed Bath & Beyond as a consequence of his investment. So, what did you believe Freeman did when he was struck by the pitch? Jake said that he celebrated the good news by having supper with his parents in the New York City suburb, where they reside, after selling his shares. The 20-year-old then took a plane to Los Angeles to go back to school. If you were in his shoes, what would you have done after hitting big? Tell us in the comments section below. It's possible that after watching this, you'll change your mind about investing in Bed Bath & Beyond. It's also possible that your luck will turn around. But do not get your hopes up. These investments always have an equal chance of success and failure. If you liked watching this video, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. We appreciate you watching and hope to see you in the next video we upload.